In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a daily meeting limit in Calendly. Setting a clear limit on how many meetings you take in a day is a simple but powerful way to protect your time and avoid burnout. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside Calendly so you can control your schedule while still making it easy for others to book time with you. First, open your browser and go to Calendly, then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your main scheduling page, you'll see a list of your event or meeting types. These might be things like 15-minute check-in or 30-minute consultation. Choose the specific meeting type where you want to set a daily limit. This is important because limits are applied per event type, not across your entire account. Click on that meeting to open its settings. Inside the event editor, look for an option or a button that says something like More Options. Go ahead and click that. This will expand additional configuration choices that aren't shown in the basic view. From there, find and select the section labeled Limit and Buffers or Limits and Buffers. This is where Calendly lets you control how frequently people can book with you, how many meetings you'll accept, and how much space you want between bookings. Inside this section, look for the option that allows you to set a limit for that event. Click on Set Limit. Here, you'll typically be able to specify the maximum number of these meetings you're willing to take per day. For example, you might decide you only want 3 strategy calls per day, or maybe 5 quick check-ins. Think about your energy, other responsibilities, and time zones when choosing a number that's realistic. After you've entered your preferred daily limit, double-check that the value is correct and applies the way you expect. Remember, this limit is per day for this specific meeting type. If you have multiple event types, you can repeat these same steps on each one to fine-tune your overall schedule. Once you're happy with your settings, scroll down if needed and click on Save Changes. This is a crucial step. If you navigate away without saving, your limit won't be applied. From now on, Calendly will automatically stop offering times for that meeting type once your daily limit is reached, helping you maintain a balanced and manageable calendar.